Cryptocurrencies are holding on a very thin edge, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an in-depth technical analysis of what the crypto market is very likely to do. I'm also going to be showing you guys my trades, my setups, and how I am currently playing the market. And if you follow along, you could potentially make a lot of money like I do every single week. So if you guys want to understand where cryptocurrencies are headed, my plays, my setups, what is going on right now, how to trade this market, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and stick around to the very end. So in order for us to do an analysis of the market and where it is likely headed, there's a couple of things that we need to take a look at. And the first thing is going to be none other than Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is in this range bound environment. I'm going to take off all these levels here. And Bitcoin essentially is in a range. A range is an area between support and resistance where the price is just bouncing back and forth. And currently Bitcoin is held up in this range to the highs of around 28,000 and change, all the way to $25,800. That is the support of Bitcoin, $25,800. The resistance is 28,300 to 400, around that range. So we're bouncing back and forth between support and resistance. In the last couple of days, Bitcoin saw an impulsive move to the upside. So it means that Bitcoin has bounced up actually nearly 10%. In altcoins and most cryptocurrencies, they follow Bitcoin. Why did this move happen? Well, particularly this move happened because of the Nvidia earnings and also the debt ceiling news. So this was an artificial pump or artificial balance, in my opinion. There's no real value or real demand behind that move. And guess what? I can be completely wrong. But if we actually zoom out of Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin is continually forming lower highs. And that's what ultimately these LHs stand for, lower highs. And lower highs are consistent of a downtrend. And the price is usually to follow, the price likely usually follows the trend that lasts for quite some time. So we've been essentially in a downtrend since the 14th of April, and we've been heading down ever since. But guess what? In an uptrend, there's going to be bounces or retracements, and that's what we are currently seeing right now. If Bitcoin breaks the high of this range right here, which means that if it breaks above this level and holds, then I will be bullish in the short term for Bitcoin, and we will likely see a move up to about $30,000. So that means if we break $28,400 to $500 and we hold above that level, we will likely see $30,000. This can or cannot happen. Who knows? Is it going to happen? I don't know. I cannot read the future, but what I can do as a trader is react to how the price moves and how the price breaks out, how it holds certain levels. If we take a look at Ethereum, we're essentially seeing the very same exact thing with just different levels and different numbers. Ethereum actually is looking a bit more bullish than Bitcoin, so we want to go ahead to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. And we can see that Ethereum is actually leading the market. It's been leading the market the last couple of days. And the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart shows us the strength of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So nothing really crazy going on right now. If we take a look at the other two factors that we really need to understand to have a full depth analysis of the market, we need to take a look at the dollar, the DXY. The dollar index gives us a very good indication of how investors around the world are feeling about risk assets and about the dollar and about certain investments like cryptocurrencies. So when the dollar is trending upwards as it is doing right now and it's going up, cryptos will typically go down. They will head down and they will usually be in a downtrend. That's why ever since this thing has been going up, cryptos have been crashing and going down. There's a couple of other things that we really need to take a look at to understand the dollar and to understand the strength behind the current move in the crypto market. And the way we do that is we take a look at the stock market. The NASDAQ futures right now is pumping very, very strong, and cryptos typically follow the NASDAQ. So while the NASDAQ continues to go up, it will probably honestly bring the crypto market down. But by taking a look at the NASDAQ, we're seeing a possible top situation where this move to the upside is exhausted, which means that the bulls are about to give up, that they're potentially weakening, and that the price is about to reverse. So if the NASDAQ and the Also the S&P 500, the ES futures, early signs of a top out, that the market is about to top out for the stock market. It's not really regarding the crypto market. But if the stock market tops out here, which means if it continues to head down, it will likely pull cryptos down with them. But if the stock market continues to hold up strong and pumps and creates new highs and breaks out, then cryptos are likely to follow. So that's pretty much my analysis. That's how I'm going to be playing Bitcoin over the next coming week or so. Currently, I am shorting Bitcoin. I'm up in massive profits, and so is my trading community where I post profitable trade alerts. I am a profitable crypto day trader, so you can have access to my trade alerts by joining the Patreon. If you also want to have access to my trading indicator, which is basically a part of my crypto trading strategy, this thing tells you exactly for any stock, for any cryptocurrency, when to buy or sell. Look, if we go over to Bitcoin, we can see that on the 1 hour time frame, before this whole move up this weekend, we got a buy alert. So if you would have bought, you would have made about 8% before getting a sell alert and take profits. So if you guys want to have access to this free indicator, you can try today for free. Go to ALGOSNIPER.com, and all the things that I'm mentioning are going to be in my video description. Also, make sure you guys are trading over on BitGet. It is the platform that I use. It's the platform that my community uses. It's one of the most secure trading platforms out there with the cheapest of fees. And if you guys create an account today, open up an account today, I can get you guys a $100 to $200 bonus by just creating an account. Look, I'm up on this trade right now, my Bitcoin short, 27%. It was up a lot further earlier, but that is just to show you my trades. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.